remain out today. The thing get leg for ground. Oh, this one too much. Oh, this one too much. I no believe am when I see this video. Now me I say me I could bring am out for people who never see am. Wanna see wetin our people, our baba them, wetin they do. This people wicked though. Before we go start, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Touch that button. No, don't forget to touch that button. And put anything in your mind for that comment box. We don't come back. My brothers, my sisters, the video one I want show now. So, if person say this thing will fit happen, you feel no believer. I be say upon this hungry, why is there Nigeria? This frustration, why is there Nigeria? This anger, why is there Nigeria? How they go bring food during COVID-19? Write the name bold. Say this food, go share them for people. When their hand not too strong, when they no feel do to make up like that, go share this food to these people. You carry this food, you pocket them for warehouse. Our people. This will not be wickedness. This will not be wickedness. I don't feel talk too much for this video. I want make una take una eye see wetin I see. Only me no go fit see this thing. Because our people they wicked. Why una wicked like this? Una carry money, una pocket am for una house. The thing go soak water, you go spoil. Una don't carry food again. When they say una go give people when they hungry, una carry them again, una pocket am. The one that don't spoil, don't spoil. We una they carry this thing, they go. My people. This is our baba them. That's why they say on head not they walk again. Because if on head they walk well. I'm not sure say when you know say people they hungry, they keep people this period when this thing they happen. You remember when that thing happened? People not go anywhere. Some of them they try how they survive. When I carry this food, see rice, see indomie, see different kind of thing. When I carry, when I go pocket up for one place, when I lock the place, when I go sell and people don't want to take and do. I mean, when I want chop, when they carry and go. When this thing happen, I want everybody they run. When I remember anything again, when I remember so I get something, somewhere when I lock and put, when they gritty. Western words don't be say you get way good though, but those people they know they gritty like this. Chop by chop, like the Western word. Before you see say person they hungry, you know it's small. I'm not sure say it's small man talking like that. Nigeria own everything, they different. Now Nigeria go say if you want travel something of let's say 30 minutes, go travel, that travel go take you 10 hours to reach where you go. And Nigeria say light. Some people don't date about 12 years, 2 years, 1 year, 1 month, 1 week. They never see lights for eye. And Nigeria they happen. Nigeria is going to see say whatever that they drink in all day, waiting they do on herself. And Nigeria go see say hospital. Somebody go before they go treat them, no problem. Because facility no day. No see say facilities no day. Why not they do like that? I wicked though. I beg make una change. This food so. When you waste so. See how people they rush food. Food one for don't give them, they go pray better prayer for now. See the way they rush food. When they say wanna give them food now, don't use jerrycan, cup of jerrycan. Go measure rice, give somebody with family. Now I carry 1 loaf of bread. Go give a whole block. A whole beauty, no. I carry a loaf of bread, go give them, go eat. Whereas, see warehouse, see what they want to lock and put. Now not try. I beg, not gonna change. When they say on our head, on our brain, so called here. Now not understand what it mean. Now thank you. Now so me talk my own rich. I beg, when I watch the video, make gonna see waiting our people, our country people they do. Cause this one, I don't like them at all. That's why I say Man, let us see.
Our food plenty there, oh. Plenty.
Food plenty.
Our food plenty for there.
A warehouse of 600 feet by 600 feet, full of COVID-19 products, was discovered today. Look at people struggling to pass. This incident has been going on since 7 a.m. As I speak with you, sources say the warehouse has not gone off. Palliative that were supposed to be given to people during the COVID-19 period was hidden away in a warehouse, and Nigerians were dying of hunger and starvation. Look at this man struggling to survive.
Yes, can you imagine?
Look at him. Something that is supposed to be brought to his home.
This thing for the past 2 hours.
Look at it.
It is still full.
You mean?
It's fully loaded. The warehouse is fully loaded.
Can you imagine?
Nigeria has more than enough. Nigeria has more than enough.
The Navy has collected their own. The armies have put their truck, collected their own. Immigration, custom, last man. And the warehouse has not gone half. The warehouse has not gone half. The warehouse has not gone half. Palliative for the poor, stored away. This is October 21st, 2020. Palliatives that were supposed to be shared in May were stored away. Some of the products are even expired. Look at how people are struggling.
They are not expired though. 2021,
No,
2021.
you see?
Never expired. 2021.
You see people are struggling. You see? You see? Look at it.
I saw another way I'll see there for Ikeja. Another one for Ikeja. Lagos State.
Look at it. Not for sale. Not for sale. They stored it. Look at it. Not for sale. They stored it. Wait. Let me see the pack. Now see. Look at it. COVID-19. Not for sale. The poor are suffering, and they stored it in a warehouse. Look at people passing through canal just to survive. Hunger in the land.
A sachet of tomato, 120 naira.
Look at people struggling to survive.
We are suffering.
Look at people.
Bag of rice, 40,000 naira.
Look at people. Echo has come to our head. These people are looters. They are criminals.
I'm telling you.
19 in Calabar. This is happening live in Calabar Highway. Look at what is happening. The food that was meant for the poor masses in Calabar have been discovered. Look at what is happening. See how wicked our government is. Live from Calabar. Live from Calabar. Look at how wicked the government is.
Live net.
Property be the government no wan show us joy. For Calabar, make them come out.